Keep your hand down on it. Yep, there you go. So here's how the thing activates, and see how that far cover just fell? That has to do with the broken plastic piece. So then this one comes down. The other one already came down because of that broken piece, and then the car closes. So that works just fine. Okay, Laura, go ahead and stop that now, and now bring it back up. Watch that far plastic cover, which covers the B pillar here when it comes back down. Hold up for Laura, second, stop. So that far driver's side cover does not lift. So go ahead and continue it, Laura, in the same direction, down. Gotta lift that. And then that's it, you just gotta lift it. Okay, Laura, go ahead and turn it back around, lift it back all the way up. Or yeah, lift it all the way up. I'm gonna stop. You'll see this cable right here. Go ahead and stop right there, Laura. So there's a cable right there. You can see it. That cable end is connected to this. If you lift this up, then the cable sticks out. You can see that. It runs through this little plastic housing here. And this housing in the back end, sheared. You can see this whole, go ahead and lift it up a little bit more, Laura. Continue raising the top. Stop. So there's a little hole here. I don't know if you can see that. But the plastic piece is here. That's where the cable sits and locks in on this piece right here. You can see the little hole. Goes around this, locks in this hole. But this whole piece here, sheared off, it used to plug into that hole in the metal, which would rotate this cable, keep the proper tension on it throughout the roof action to raise and lower this. Now that little plastic piece is accessible, but it's a little bit tricky to take off. There's another one here. Here's the other side. And so you can see that's where the cable sits. And this piece right here that's finned is what broke on the other side. It's just a crappy ABS plastic piece. It unscrews from the back here readily. But this piece, there's another, it's very tight. This is the sticky problem here, is that there's I think it's a 25T bolt here that can be backed off so that you can gain access to this plastic piece and get that off. But really what I would do is I would back this off. I would take it to a 3D printer. I'd have them do it in aluminum, and then I would match it, since you should be able to, I've done measurements. This piece could be taken off and placed over on the other side, no problem. So I would get a 3D printer to do 2 of these in aluminum, so you don't have to worry about this side shearing, and pop them back on. So there you have it.